Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we explore the latest trends and opportunities in the digital world. Imagine a world where robots do all the hard work, from manufacturing products to managing office tasks, and you just collect the cash effortlessly through digital transactions. Sounds amazing, right? Well, that future is now, and it's called AI. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way we work and live. Welcome to my channel where we help you unlock the secrets of making money online with AI. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a complete beginner, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll reveal 4 powerful strategies to make money using AI in 2025. These methods are not only innovative but also practical and easy to implement. These are opportunities you don't want to miss. So stay tuned and let's dive into the future of making money online with AI. First up is AI-driven content creation. In today's digital age, creating engaging content is more important than ever, but it can also be incredibly time-consuming and challenging. Some of us are allergic to cameras, and editing can be a beast. The frustration of getting the perfect shot or spending hours tweaking edits can be overwhelming, but AI tools like Synthesia let you create videos without ever stepping in front of a camera. Imagine producing high-quality videos with just a few clicks, saving you time and effort. 11 Labs for voiceovers and ChatGPT for scriptwriting are game changers. These tools can generate professional-sounding voiceovers and compelling scripts in minutes. AI is a tool, but your unique perspective and personality make your content stand out. It's the human touch that adds authenticity and relatability to your creations. Think of AI as the peanut butter to your jelly. It complements your skills and enhances your content, making the final product even better. Brainstorm niches you're passionate about: cooking tutorials, workout videos, coding courses. The possibilities are endless when you combine your interests with AI's capabilities. Let AI handle the technical stuff, and you focus on bringing the value and entertainment. This partnership allows you to concentrate on what you do best, being creative and engaging. Consistency is key. Show up regularly for your audience to turn viewers into subscribers and fans. Regular posting builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Next, we're diving into training AI models. Platforms like Outlier AI let you train AI models and get paid for your expertise. Whether you're a coding genius or a fitness guru, you can help AI models improve and get paid well for it. Training AI models also gives you an incredible behind-the-scenes look at this technology. Offering AI training and courses is a great way to share your wisdom and make money. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare are virtual classrooms where you can be the tech-savvy teacher. Offer real value with practical solutions and actionable insights. Use AI tools to create sleek presentations and automated subtitles. AI can also help you market your course to the right audience. Focus on dropping knowledge bombs and making your course worth their while. Creating AI tools, apps, or plugins is where the big leagues play. Build something that solves real problems and makes people's lives easier. Identify a problem or gap in the market and create a solution people will pay for. Partner with coding wizards or use no-code platforms to bring your idea to life. Tools like Jasper AI and ChatGPT plugins are transforming industries. Why not join the revolution? And there you have it. We've explored some of the most exciting and innovative ways to leverage AI for making money online. From automating tasks to creating intelligent content, these 4 incredible methods are set to transform the digital landscape in 2025. AI is here to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and earn. Imagine the possibilities when you integrate AI into your daily routine. Choose your AI adventure, put in the work, and watch the opportunities unfold. The future is bright for those who embrace this technology. Share your journey in the comments below, and let's collaborate on something amazing. Your experiences could inspire others to take the leap. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Stay updated with the latest trends and tips. Stay curious, stay creative, and keep on slaying. The world of AI is vast and full of potential. Your adventure starts now.